this weekend. We have finally got moved all down to Florida. Still trying to get settled in. We still have a mess with a bunch of moving boxes and everything that we still have to unpack, but we wanted just to take a beach day just as a family. We got Caden back here, and we have all the other boys out here searching for shark teeth, and Jeffrey just found this big huge shell.
Give me some guys, that's not fair.
I mean, look how big that is. I mean, that's like as big as my hand. Coop man over here is living his best life. He was meant for the beach.
Hey, Mom, my kid's done.
So Venice beaches are very popular for finding shark teeth. So that is our goal today, is to try and find a bunch of shark teeth and any huge shells we come across. It's beautiful out here. It's not hardly crowded. Free parking, so we do enjoy that, because at Clearwater it's anywhere from $30 to $50 to park, and at St. Pete's it was about the same as well. So it's extremely nice that you can go have a beach day and park somewhere free. All right guys, well, we're gonna get to hunting some more shells, and we'll be filming more throughout the day and showing you our finds. We're super excited to be at this beach. It is just beautiful once again. Just gonna turn around and show y'all the beautiful view we have here.
What'd you get?
Yes, it is. I can't catch the fish.
Cool. Oh, what did you get?
I got a poncho, but it's broke.
Oh, you got a crop?
Still can't match mine though. Is it good to keep?
Yeah.
There's nothing, it's just
We gotta get closer back up here. It's a decent one. Pretty cool.
Keeper now.
Yeah. I'll keep you this one. Where is Cooper? Oh, Jesus. Come on, Coop dog. So many seashells I'm stepping on. This is the best beach we've been to. I think they're yellow. I don't know if they're yellow shark or what up there. Yeah, they are saying shark. Well, I don't see anybody max exiting from the water, so.
You know what, Dad?
What? Chicken butt.
You know what, Dad?
What chicken butt?
Get closer.
He said get closer.
And Kim thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Yeah, I would think.
I guess it's Kim.
That is pretty cool. You got any more?
Well, I just gave the one I found to Talon. Talon found another one.
What are you going to do?
Go underwater, I guess.
I'm gonna go get some more instead.
Well, she's going to try to find.
All day.
She's trying to find more shark teeth. And then Tyler wants to go take you on an adventure real quick. He's begging me, so here you go.
No, I'm not begging.
Begging? That's a pretty decent one.
Oh, God. Good one. Another one. Ugga booga. Catch anything, Mom? Well, get anything. Get anything, not catch.
Not since that last one. Maybe I'll get lucky this one though. Maybe there'll be some in here.
Woo!
Hey guys, we had a great day at Venice Beach. We found lots of shells and lots of shark teeth.
Yeah, we did have a pretty good day. I think at some point they were yelling shark out in the middle of the ocean. I got a little confused by that. Nobody rushed out, so we just hung out. Everything was cool, and we found some pretty cool shells and shark teeth.
I didn't see a shark, so I don't know. Maybe they were just calling bluff or whatever. Who knows? Just trying to scare everybody. But we just wanted to show y'all some of our finds from today. If you can see, we have them all spread out here. I've kind of got them separated. We have a huge one. We have some spirally ones. Still trying to learn the name of these shells. We have some smaller ones, medium size, and even smaller ones than these. So we knew it was going to be a great day as soon as we stepped out the car, because
Definitely.
Cooper, our 4-year-old, actually found this awesome shell, if you can see it. So this is called a lettered olive shell. And it's a whole one. And he found that literally right outside the car as soon as we got out. Another one that we found that we think was pretty cool. Normally we don't keep them when they're this small, but this is a zigzag scallop. So normally we put these back, but we thought this one was pretty neat and unique because of its pattern and its color. So we decided to keep this one. Here are some other small ones down here that we also normally wouldn't keep, but we had the boys with us and it was kind of their first time hunting for shells and diving for them. I did find this one. I thought it was really neat because of all the colors in it. I haven't really seen those blues and purples, so I did keep that. But a lot of the smaller ones the boys found, and we just kind of had to keep them. We're kind of teaching them as we go along. We only want like big size ones, because if we kept all the small ones, we could fill boxes and boxes with the small ones. Here's another cool one that we found. This is called a cat's paw. So we also found another one that's very similar to that one, and this is called a spiny jewel box. So if you can see, the difference is this one looks like more like a paw and is more smooth, where this one has spikes. So this is your cat paw, and this one right here is your spiny jewel box. So the next one that we have here is called a Venus sunray. It's very smooth and oblong.
Oh no, you didn't.
And I just dropped that, and I just broke it.
Fail on camera.
That's sad.
It's very thin and fragile. Just FYI. And the last one that we want to just point out is this giant heart cockle shell. We found it and it was already missing this, but it was pretty whole, so we decided to keep it because it was a good find. So,
And then the short teeth.
oh yes, we found 29, I think is what I counted, 29 shark teeth. Some are whole, some are partial. I feel like my fingers are going to be too big to kind of show y'all some of these, but hopefully y'all can see. So there's a whole one. Here's another whole one that we found. All right guys, well I hope that you liked our video. If you could like and subscribe if you already haven't, we would appreciate that. We plan on putting out a lot more material so y'all can enjoy and experience Florida with us visually. All right, again, so like and subscribe if you already haven't.